Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain, and here we are with our majestic 777. It's been parked for a few days. It's nice, cold, and dark. And what we're going to do now is an electrical power up. So, this is the cockpit. Let's go and put the battery switch on. Then make sure the C1 and C2 primary pump switches are off. Demand pump selectors are off. Make sure the wiper is off. Then make sure the landing gear is down. Then take a look at the alternate flap selector switch, which is off. Then let's look at the overhead panel again and make sure the bus tie switches are in auto as well. Now put the APU generator switch on and the APU selector start, then on. APU is going to take a little time for it to start, and once it's started, your airplane is ready for a pre-flight, and that is it. This is the captain, a short video of powering our 777 for a nice and long flight. Like and subscribe to this channel and tune in for more such videos. Bye bye.